I will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Airbnb app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on profile down here. So when you click here on profile, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, then you click here on privacy ensuring, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list here, click here on sharing, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. So just switching to open video here. So then you click here on sharing, click on it here. Then you go down, so you keep going down here. Then you come here to show my home city and country here. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's me show my home city and country disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.